Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara. This is the first video in my new series of crochet tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet a slip knot for absolute beginners. For this, we need only these two materials, a 4-ply yarn and a hook of 4.5 mm. You can use any size and any type of hook for your project. I'm just showing you how to tie a slip knot. I'm going to show you in different ways of slip knot. This is the first method. For this is the tail end and this is my yarn attaching to the ball, or I'm going to say this side as my working yarn and this is my tail end. Now just take the tail end on your left hand and the working yarn on the right hand and wrap the working yarn. Take the tail end on the left hand and the working yarn, wrap it around your left hand fingers and make an X. Now take the hook, insert the hook under the bottom yarn and pull the upper yarn and twist the yarn and take out your fingers. You can see a slip knot is formed. If we pull both the ends, the knot will untie. This is the first method of how to tie a slip knot. Now I am going to show you the second method. Now take the tail end on the right hand and the working yarn on the left hand and take this end and wrap it around your one finger and pinch with your thumb. You can see a loop is formed and your finger is passing from the loop. Now take the working yarn, this is the working yarn, and wrap it around your finger in such a way and again pinch with the thumb. Now take the back loop and pass it over the front loop and that's it. Our slip knot is formed. Now grab your hook and insert into the loop and tighten the knot. This is the second method of making the slip knot. Now take your hook out and pull the both ends and the knot will untie. Now this is the most easiest method. I am going to show you. In my most projects and tutorials I use this method. Take the tail end on the right hand and the working yarn on the left hand and wrap it or cross it over itself to make a loop. Now this is the tail end. Just hold it in a way and pull the tail end in such a way to make a loop. You can see and insert your hook into the loop and tighten the knot. This is the most easiest way. Now this is the last method I'm going to show you. This is the tail end and this is the working yarn. Now place the yarn on the table or whatever background you are using, and this is the tail and this is the working yarn, and cross it over itself and put the finger on the crossing point. Now this is the tail end. Just pass the tail end from behind the loop in such a way. You can see a cord showing up from the loop. Just pull this cord and you can see this is our slip knot. This is the most easiest method. Insert the hook into the loop and tighten the knot. So this is how our slip knot is formed. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and follow for more crochet tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep crocheting and take great care of yourself. Bye bye.